Hi, I'm Henrietta. Thank you for tuning in today for Crafty Kids. Today's craft is cardboard weaving in honor of Native American Heritage Month. For craft supplies, you will need cardboard, string, yarn, scissors, Crafty 6 plastic needle, permanent markers, and a ruler. Measure your cardboard on each side. You're going to do about 1 inch to a fourth. Mark it. I'm going to do the other side also. Stick your ruler where you marked it. You're going to find your marks. And you're going to go mark it all the way down the side. Do the same on the other side. Then on the sides here, you're going to go ahead and measure about 3/4 right there. Take your ruler. You're going to mark it. So from the line that you made here, you're going to measure 3/4 on each side. 1, 2, 3. Take your ruler. So where you marked it, you're going to also draw your lines. Marked it here, you're going to go in between and you're going to cut. Take a string and you're going to start from underneath. You're going to go ahead and tape it to the cardboard, and you're going to put it through the hole, where we cut it, and you're going to run it all the way down to the other end. Don't make it too tight where you're going to need a little bit of room to thread the yarn. So from here, you're just going to go ahead and go to the next end. And go ahead and so you'll see the back like this. And you're going to go ahead and go down the other end. And you're also going to keep repeating that until you finish. When you get that done, get some tape and tape it there. So that's how your loom will be. We are going to make a small little rug. This is what I completed, but I will show you how to put one together. This is where I started, so I'm going to start at this end with the same color, brown, like green, yellow, and then the assorted yarn. Some of them come as to multiple colors on one yarn. So you're going to take your brown, take your needle, and you're going to go ahead and thread it through the needle. So Here you're going to go under. Oh, you can also, this is where you can use your Crafty stick. You can pull it up like that. Give it a little bit of room if you want. Or you can do, also a smaller one. You can do under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, and over. So you take your yarn and you can just go all the way straight down. If it's easier to use a stick. Then thread it all the way to the end. Okay. Now you can leave a little bit of piece on the side, which I did here because we're going to work on that after we're done. Then from here, since you went under, over, here we're going to do under again. Let me show you. Under, over, under, over. Okay, we're going to change our yarn. Start on this side. Since we did under, over, you're going to do under, over on this other side. Okay, so once you're done, go ahead and kind of push the top part to meet the middle part. Okay, so the sides here, you'll notice they're sticking out. You can either tie it together like this, or what I like to do is you're going to run your needle in the middle of the yarn on the side. Then you're going to take your yarn and you're going to thread it through the needle Then you're going to pull it down. So you hide your yarn. Then you can cut it. So you can do that all the way to the end. So this is how it comes out. So I hid some of them on the side, and then from here you're going to turn it around and you're going to go ahead and cut the little pieces. Then you're going to take the first strings and you're going to go ahead and tie knots. So you're going to go all the way down, you're going to tie each knot. Once you get that done, this is how it will look, your finished piece. Thank you for watching today's episode of Crafty Kids. Feel free to share your craft in the comment section. We'll see you next time.